Her name is not written openly in the Qur'an, but her light shines through its verses, the light of Fatima al-Zahra, the daughter of the Prophet, the mother of the Imams, the essence of purity. Her mention is hidden, like a pearl in the ocean, seen only by hearts that seek the truth. Allah revealed.
Indeed, Allah only wishes to remove all impurity from you, O people of the house, and purify you completely.
When this verse was revealed, the Prophet covered them with his cloak and said,
O Allah, these are the people of my house. Remove all impurity from them and purify them completely.
Lady Fatima stood at the heart of Ahlulbayt, the symbol of divine purity. 3 days in a row, the family fasted for Allah's sake. Each evening, when they sat to eat, a poor man, an orphan, and a captive came to their door. They gave away every morsel they had and slept hungry. Allah revealed,
They give food out of love for him to the needy, the orphan, and the captive, saying, We feed you for the sake of Allah alone. We seek neither reward nor thanks from you.
Lady Fatima's compassion was so pure that Allah eternalized it in His book. When the enemies mocked the Prophet, calling him cut off for having no surviving sons, Allah revealed,
Indeed, we have granted you al-Kawthar.
Imam al-Sadiq said,
Al-Kawthar is Fatima.
Through her came the lineage of the Prophet, Hassan, Hussein, and the Imams from her pure offspring. She became the source of abundance, not just in lineage but in mercy, wisdom, and light. Allah commanded His messenger,
Say, I do not ask of you any reward for my message except love for my near ones. When asked who these near ones were, the Prophet said,
Ali, Fatima, Hassan, and Hussein.
To love Lady Fatima and her family is not optional. It is the Prophet's own request, sealed by the word of Allah. After the family's act of selfless charity, Allah praised them. Therefore, Allah will protect them from the evil of that day and grant them radiance and joy. The radiance of Fatima al-Zahra, the shining one's way, is that same divine light that never fades. Imam al-Baqir explained that the verse,
Allah is the light of the heavens and the earth, light upon light, refers to the light of prophethood and imamat, and within that chain of divine light stands Fatima al-Zahra, the lamp of purity and motherhood of guidance.
And when the buried soul is asked for what sin she was slain. Many scholars say this verse will echo again on the Day of Judgment, when the oppressed and the forgotten will speak. And among them, the first voice to rise will be Fatima al-Zahra, demanding justice for her rights and the rights of her husband.
She is the purified one of Ayat al-Tatheer, the giver of Surah Al-Insan, the abundance of al-Kawthar, the beloved of Ayat al-Mawada, the light of Surah Al-Nur, and the voice of truth in Surah Al-Taqweer. Her name may not be written, but her presence flows through the Qur'an like divine fragrance, guiding every heart that seeks light, mercy, and truth. Lady Fatima, the Qur'an's silent verse, the eternal light of Islam.